How does abrasion occur in paint coatings? Abrasion resistance is the ability of a material such as epoxy paints to withstand wear caused by friction, impact, or continuous contact with solid surfaces. This property is critical in demanding industrial environments like warehouse floors and chemical plants. The abrasion resistance of the epoxy coatings varies with their composition, typically ranging from 1 to 15 MPa. Wear depends on traffic type, pedestrian, light vehicles, or heavy machinery, which applies different pressures. Abrasive forces include normal loads and tangential forces from friction and abrasive particles, the latter being the main cause of wear. Epoxy coatings distribute these forces through microscopic deformations, aided by their hardness and polymer structure. Factors such as contact speed, abrasive particle size, and environmental conditions also affect the coating effectiveness in resisting abrasion. This is Cosmos Coatings. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.